Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Then it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really impressive move. I mean, when you consider that just yesterday the price was flirting with the lower portion of this channel here, and now all of a sudden the price is way up here, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price definitely made a nice move today. But that does lead to the logical question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And what I'm going to do is just kind of get rid of this channel for now, just because, yeah, the channel exists, but I want to focus on this question about today's price movement and whether or not it has any sort of genuine, true strength behind it. And if it does, I think we can all agree if we can, use a little common sense here. It's, the key level going forward is going to be right here around $5.10. Why is 5.10 so important? Well, hopefully we can agree with the logic that price movements with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 5.10. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows here. You'd have these lows down here. You'd have that low right there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves could do over time. They're going to make progress forward. And in this situation, one final time, I am defining and quantifying the phrase make progress as $5.10. So definitely a very important level right there. Resistance-wise, seems to have a little bit of short-term resistance at 575, but in my opinion, top priority right now has nothing to do with breaking levels of resistance. It's all about going through some healthy consolidations now and continuing to build higher bases. Because, like I said, as long as higher bases are being built, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So great move today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.